Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is November 23rd, 2025, and here are the latest AI updates. This episode is sponsored by Pickert. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. Companies collect clicks, likes, and location data and derive psychological profiles that are bought and sold. Investigations by Netzpolitik.org and Bayerischer Rundfunk used freely available app data to identify intelligence officers, determine home addresses, and find where their children go to school. Joe Bager traced where traces occur, seemingly harmless apps, social media platforms, and the smartphone as the largest data leak. Hartmut Gieselmann examined which psychological models are used. The advertising industry uses likes and browsing behavior to assign users to ad target groups. Avoiding some apps is not sufficient. Practically anyone with enough money can obtain these data, including hostile intelligence services. The result is a billion-dollar market. Reuters reports the Trump administration has put on hold an executive order that would have created an AI litigation task force to sue states over AI laws. The president had called for one federal standard, instead of a patchwork of 50 state regulatory regimes. A 10-year ban on state AI regulation was initially included in the Big Beautiful Bill before the Senate removed it in a 99-1 vote. The draft order would also have threatened states with loss of federal broadband funding. It would probably have faced significant opposition, including from Republicans. Silicon Valley disputes included attacks on Anthropic for backing California's SB 53.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickert's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickert.de. Pickertde. Google Research developed nested learning to mitigate catastrophic forgetting and enable continuous learning. Presented at NeurIPS 2025, the study says current models use a single learning speed and overwrite prior knowledge. Inspired by human memory, nested learning assigns components to layers with different update frequencies, creating a continuum memory system beyond short and long term. The HOPE architecture implements titans that prioritize surprising inputs and layered context chunks. In tests, HOPE improved language modeling and long context tasks, outperforming Transformer++, RetNet, and DeltaNet on models ranging from 340 million to 1.3 billion parameters trained on 100 billion tokens. A reproduction is available on GitHub. Researchers at TU Darmstadt developed VoX, a framework adding two HTML elements, tool and context, so AI agents can directly find available actions instead of interpreting interfaces. The tool element lists action names, parameters, and descriptions. The context element exposes relevant application state. A Chrome extension demo lets an LLM agent create and manage tasks. VoX uses a three-stakeholder architecture: site, browser agent, and inference provider. The browser agent sends conversations only to the chosen LLM and exposes only explicitly shared data, reducing inference cost for sites. A hackathon with 16 developers recorded a system usability scale score of 72.34. Latency benchmarks improved, though integration and developer mindset remain challenges. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.